Buying a car right now and paying a high interest rate, and Michigan has interest rate that you can pay is 25%. But anything in the double teens when it comes to buying a car, you need to be looking to refinance. Don't let life happen and forget that you need to refinance. A lot of people right now are belonging to these big banks, Chase, Bank of America. You need to get yourself on over to credit union and do what? You need to be able to refinance that loan. If you have bad credit, it's a credit score between 400 and 600. You need to belong to a credit union. And the reason you need to belong to a credit union because the credit union will give you some money once you get your credit together. Or even if you don't have your credit together, they'll talk to you about a credit rebuilding program. Apply for a credit card. And if you can't get a credit card, they'll offer you a secure card. A lot of people are belonging to these big banks because they think that they'll give them money, or they think that, guess what, that they're going to be there for them. Or they're going to belong to the big bank because of convenience. Chase, Bank of America, it's so many banks or so many ATMs of Chase and Bank of America and Huntington in the area compared to the credit union. You're looking at, wow, I can go to an ATM and not have to pay a fee. Or I just belong to a big bank and I'm excited. But you got bad credit. Or I like to say bruised credit, even though I'm saying bad credit. You are so excited. But in all reality, you need to be joining a credit union. Because credit unions are for the people, by the people. They look out for you. They have more patience. And if they put you in a loan, your interest rate is high, then they don't want to keep you in that loan that long. But you got to communicate. Don't let your credit dictate your reality that may be your future later on. Did I say that right? And if I did, you know what I mean. Don't let today, right now, dictate what you're going to be doing a year from now. Meaning, if you get this car right now and you have a double digits and your interest rate, do me a favor. Share this video. Talk to a friend. You know how you're watching a game show and they say, call a friend and ask the person where they bank. Say, where do you bank? Where do you get your direct deposit going? I'm not saying don't belong to a big financial institution because I do belong to a big financial institution, but I also belong to a few credit unions. Take my advice, share this video, and leave comments in this video because I'm always trying to share information that's going to help you. Always. But if you watch this video, subscribe to my channel. Or if you watch my video on social media, share it with someone. And you know what? Share it with a friend. See you on my next video.